Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best fake eyelashes that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ltop 10 pairs handmade soft false eyelashes. Ltop false eyelashes have the best bang for your buck today. Please do know that it's not their dirty price that has made them the most highly rated and favored today. These 10 pairs have been carefully handmade with extra caution to make them more attractive and to give you a more natural look and feel. They know how to hold on and will come out pretty easily when you need them to. Again, you can trim them for customized appearances. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Eyelashes 70 pairs fake eyelashes. You wouldn't be wrong to call this the best false deal ever. With a little over $10, you get yourself not 10 or 30, but 70 pairs of charming eyelashes. Now, each of these pairs features a different style. This means that you'll never run out styles to stand out in every party or at your workplace. Whether you want to keep up with Jane Clan or you want to go the Beyoncé of Rihanna way, this pack has your back. The extremely spiky pairs, for instance, will give you that luxurious feeling, while the crisscross flare lashes are for all sorts of exaggerations. Notably, eye splashes have been made from super soft synthetic fibers which make them incredibly lightweight. At number 3, we have the Skyluna thick crisscross false eyelashes. These are wispy, cute, pretty, adorable, name it. These high-impact false lashes come in a pair of 5. The most striking thing and what you want to hear about them is that no one would recognize that you weren't born with them. Again, Skyluna crisscross false eyelashes are longer and fuller to enhance your natural outlook by bringing out a new dimension to your chicky eyes. What's more is that their liner is clear. This comes as a plus, especially to those who don't like wearing eyeliners. At number 2, we have the Ardell Multipack Demi Wispies fake eyelashes. When your budget doesn't allow some red carpet splurging, and you still feel like breaking some necks, this pack of Ardell professional fake eyelashes has all you need. These 4 pairs have been stacked to bring a more genuine and natural lash upgrade. The best thing about these Ardell falsies is that you can hang onto them for more reuses. Ardell Wispies falsies have this spiky design that makes them look more natural. Again, they have a thin band that allows you to put on your makeup just as you would love it and without any special considerations. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ardell Naturals Individual Lashes, medium. These Ardell Naturals Individual Lashes have been professionally designed for use by both the beauty pros and newbies. What's unique with these falsies is that they have different lengths and thickness. Therefore, you can customize your look as you need. They are also knotted free and extremely easy to put on. In fact, most previous users claimed that they've been saving several bucks by putting them on by themselves. Not to mention, they are super affordable. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.